Are you wondering how you can prepare for an upcoming online test? Being prepared, organized, rested, and focused is key. Be prepared. Find out where the test is located, what the format is, when the test occurs, what materials are allowed, and what you will be evaluated on. Use effective study strategies when learning and reviewing the relevant material. Use your course outline to narrow your focus on what to study. Be organized. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Organize your space and gather any materials that you will need. Be rested. Get enough sleep before the test. Sleep is an important phase of the learning process. It improves retention and comprehension. Be focused. Before you begin writing, make sure you minimize distractions by letting housemates or family know about the test. Turn off social media and put your cell phone away. Remember, if any questions come up while you are preparing, be sure to ask the instructor before the test begins.